Welcome to my backyard. My name is Judd Brink, owner of Minnesota Backyard Birds, and watching several hundred redpolls come into some food I've got on the ground. Hopefully they'll come back. I've also have a hoary redpoll, which is a little bit more uncommon than the common redpoll here for Crow Wing County in Brainerd. Can't see much detail here. We've got several feeding stations on the deck too that's full of redpolls. Oh, there they all go. To see what I see every day, you can visit mnbackyardbirds.com and you can watch our live bird camera. Here they come back in. Gonna settle down before they probably take off again. But I estimate, several hundred redpolls, including maybe one or two hoary redpolls that I've got pictures of. So this is out the office window here. And they come back, there they go. Alright, well, to see more birds visiting my feeders, please visit mnbackyardbirds.com and look for the camera. You'll see several feeding stations. And again, my name is Judd Brink, owner of Minnesota Backyard Birds. We offer birdscaping, helping you attract and enjoy more birds. Enjoy the show.